Hi friends, first of all I congratulate all those candidates who have qualified the prelims examination 2022. Just now UPSC has released the result of prelims 2022 which was conducted on 5th of June and the result has been declared today on 22nd of June. So just in record 15 days UPSC has released this result. This is a boon for all those who are appearing for mains this year because there are still 85 days left for the mains examination. I'll tell you my experience of cracking the mains examination in my very first attempt. I cracked my mains examination and today let me tell you the secret. I just prepared between after the prelims examination and the mains examination. I cracked in those 60-70 days. So today you have more than 85 days. If you really plan these 85 days, and if you give your everything, if you are devoted, if you are committed for the next 85 days, I can guarantee you are going to qualify the mains examination. But the provided you have to make a concrete plan exactly every day what you want to achieve every day, what part of the syllabus you are going to cover every day. Okay, so few things you should keep in mind for your mains preparation. Okay, for candidates who have cracked the prelims examination, first thing you need to plan the next 85 days. Okay, you should divide your day into two parts. One is the optional preparation, which is very critical. Okay, so at least 40% of your time you should devote in your optional preparation, and rest 60% you should devote in your preparation of general studies. And you have to start with ethics and essay because these two are the most scoring part of the GS syllabus. Okay, so what I have done, if you can see here, I have made a plan for the 90 days. I have made a plan for 90 days which I released on 14th of June. 14th of June, just 1 week has passed, and this plan basically finishes 2 or 3 days before the mains examination. So I had given 2-3 days buffer. So now also you can start with this plan. You can start with this plan. Daily I have given you some target to cover. Daily I have given some target to cover which you have to cover from your static notes. If you have those static notes prepared, if you do not have static notes prepared, you can refer my mains master notes. My mains master notes, and every day I am giving 2 or 3 most important questions from that section. So what you do in the morning, you prepare this topic from your static notes or my mains master notes, and in the night every day 8:30 I am discussing 3 to 4 most important questions from that section. Guys, I can tell you, if you were part of my prelims Optima, you must have seen I was able to predict many of the questions in the prelims. Guys, similarly I am going to discuss all those important and expected questions for the mains this year. Okay, and if you were part of my prelims Optima program, please comment in the comment box how it benefited you guys. Okay, so what is my suggestion to all those people who are going to write mains examination? Guys, next 85 days are going to be very critical. Okay, do not waste even a second. Do not waste even a second. Give your best. Give your 100%. Okay, and for giving your 100%, you should have a concrete plan. Please use this 90 days plan. Please use this 90 days plan. This 90 days plan will help you give your best. Okay, because every day you will clear what I need to cover today. Okay, you cover it, and you also get the most important questions from that segment. And if you prepare, it is very high chance you will see these questions appearing in the mains examination, guys. So this is the best way to optimize your next 85 days to 90 days, guys. And every Sunday I am giving one important essay. I am discussing one important essay, so that will also help to cover essay portion, guys. So please follow this timetable. You can get this timetable by clicking the description box. Okay, by clicking the description box below, guys. For people who have not cleared the prelims examination this time, okay, for them I have a very strong message. Guys, prelims is becoming very challenging. Every year I see many candidates, they start preparing for the prelims only in the month of February and March. That time they have just 3-4 months left for their prelims preparation, and they ignore many things during their entire year. They ignore solving tests, solving mock tests throughout the year. They ignore mastering the option elevation trick throughout the year. They ignore current affairs, okay, reading throughout the year. So you have to sit today. People who have not qualified the prelims 2022, today you need to sit and you need to clearly find out what was the thing which you did not do in the 2022 prelims, so that you do not repeat the same mistake in 2023. This is I'm telling you, these are the 2-3 important mistakes which candidates commit every year, because every year even thousands students I mentor. And what I have observed, that generally people who fail to crack prelims, it is their own mistake, because they do not start early, they do not take the prelims sincerely throughout the year. Only in the month of January, February, okay, 2-3 months before the prelims, they start becoming very sincere. For them, I have a suggestion for you. You also, what you do is that you follow a concrete plan for 2023. Okay, from the very today, from the day today, okay, you should have targets. Every week you should have targets, and try to assess your progress. Try to assess your progress every week. Okay, I tell you, generally people think, okay, you succeed in just one day. Okay, the prelims result is out. Okay, I am successful today. No. This success is result that he is succeeding every day, he is succeeding every week, he is succeeding every month, and that cumulative, okay, success gets compounded, and the result comes out in terms of prelim success. Okay, so if you want to succeed the prelims examination next year, you need to succeed every day, you need to succeed every week, and you need to check your progress every week. For that, guys, I have made a plan for you. You can follow this timetable. This is integrated timetable, 100 days timetable for GS3, like that 100 days timetable for GS2. You can follow this timetable if you want to prepare in an integrated manner from now on for 2023, or you can follow this Lakshya timetable, okay, for basically practicing mock test. You can follow this. Okay, I have divided the prelims preparation into various layers. I have divided the prelims preparation into various layers. You see here, level 1 is the basic, then which is the NCERT level. Then level 2, which is the advanced part, is basically about the standard books like Lakshmikant Spectrum. Then there is level 3. Level 3 is basically monthly current affairs. Then there is level 4. Level 4 is basically Optima, which is the most important questions from every subject, sectional test. And level 5, which is basically the full length test, okay, full length test, which you will be solving before the prelims exam next year. Okay, so you need to cover this level 1. This is level 1, level 2 and level 3. You need to cover this from the day go. Today you have to cover this. You have to start planning to cover this. I can tell you, my friends, this year, if we see 2022, many questions have come from the daily prelims notes. Many questions have come from the test series. So if you are serious about cracking the prelims examination next year, okay, if you are serious, I would like to tell you, start from today, commit, okay, read DPN daily, solve PPP daily, and have these weekly targets, and assess your progress every weekend. Then only you will understand where are you moving. Then what will happen? Okay, the prelims result will not decide. Okay, you know you are going to succeed. Okay, otherwise, if you are not doing well, you have to work hard. But what happens if you wait till the end? Okay, there is no time to improve. So this is a message for both the people who are starting the preparation for the first time for prelims 2023, or people who have failed prelims 2022. What should be their approach for 2023? From the day go, you have to be sincere about the prelims preparation. I am telling you, many candidates, what mistake they do, they devote unnecessarily too much time in optional, they devote unnecessary time in your mains preparation, and they fail to crack even prelims. Okay, the first minimum expectation you should have from yourself, that I am going to clear prelims next year. That is a minimum basically expectation. I am not saying that you do not prepare mains. You prepare in an integrated manner, but take prelims sincerely from the very first week. Suppose you are starting from today. Okay, every week you should assess your progress. See, if I have to go to Delhi, I cannot just blindly drive and reach Delhi. Okay, I have to, when I am traveling, I have to see the road signs. I have to ask people, okay, am I on the same right track? Am I going in the right direction? Okay, how will you get to know the right direction in the prelims preparation? This mock test, weekly mock test, which you take, will give you the right direction, that are you moving in the right direction or not, or do you need some course correction? Okay, just imagine like this, you have to reach to Delhi. Okay, you are sitting in Chennai or you are sitting in Bengaluru. How to reach Delhi? Okay, you need to ask directions. After every some 100 kilometers. Okay, you need to ask directions. If you don't ask anyone, just blindly you drive. In place of reaching Delhi, you will reach Kolkata. Okay, similarly, when you are preparing, and if you are not assessing your progress throughout the year, just you are blindly reading, that is not going to help you crack the prelims examination. Second thing, what I need to tell you is that many people, what they do not revise. They do not revise throughout the year. They just keep on reading. And why they do not revise? I have seen they do not revise because there is no motivation to revise. But if you have some assessment test every weekend, if you have some assessment, like for example, I am giving every month end, I am giving a monthly current affairs test. Okay, so every month end, when you have assessment test, you will revise the last month's current affairs, okay, before starting of the new month. That will help you to revise. This assessment test will give you direction and it will be a motivation for revision also. Okay friends, so with this I would like to end this video. Again, I would like to congratulate everyone who has cleared the prelims examination 2022. The next 85 days are going to be the most important days in your life. Don't ignore the next 85 days. Plan it properly. You can join my 90 days answer writing program, which I am discussing every day. Most important questions from the target which I have given. I will just show you. Okay, this is the basically plan. Okay, this is a very plan. Okay, and people who have not qualified the prelims 2022, don't lose your heart. Don't lose your heart. See, all failures are stepping stone for success. Okay, if we are willing to learn from our mistake. So first sit today, write down what mistake did you do this year. Were you serious throughout the year? Were you sincere throughout the year? Were you reading current affairs throughout the year? Were you revising current affairs throughout the year? Were you taking mock tests throughout the year? If not, don't commit that mistake. Okay, it is said that, okay, intelligent people, okay, learn from some others' mistake. At least the average people learn from their own mistake, and people who are fools, they don't learn from their own mistake. So don't become a fool. Okay, learn from your own mistake and at least behave like a normal aspirant who can succeed very easily. Guys, thank you. Bye bye. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.